First ice cream ko for 2026.
Sinigang na
Hindi ko alam kung magkano na nagagastos ko. It's gonna be the thumbnail of this video. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's me again, Miss Wang, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be tracking my spending. It's January, and we are basically restarting some things. And for me, I will be restarting my budgeting system. And I think the first step for that to happen is for you to track your spending. And as you know, guys, everything is super expensive in Manila right now. I'm not good with history, but I feel like I can argue that this is the most expensive time to live in Manila, or dare I say everywhere in the world. Everything is super expensive. What is happening? Well, I mean, shitty government. But today I just got my paycheck, so I thought what a better way to start this video than to spend that paycheck. For now, I'm gonna go out and have dinner. That's one thing I always do is when I get a paycheck, I pay myself first. And what that means is either I take myself on a date, on a cafe, or a dinner. And that's one of my principles in working and life balance. Like, if I work, I can treat myself para naman ma-motivate ako to work harder. You know what I mean? So yeah, we're gonna go out. I'm gonna go out for a dinner. And then I'm also planning to buy external SSD. So yeah, you're gonna come with me. 8:41, magna 9 p.m. na. I don't know if I'm gonna get the rice meal or just the sandwich. Pero ang pinunta ko talaga here is itong matcha pancakes souffle. I gotta eat something first before the dessert. Hello, good evening. I'll have this chicken, teriyaki chicken steak plate. Toast na. At saka itong matcha pancake. Single na. Yun lang muna. Thank you. I'm excited about the chicken. Fairness sa loaves nila, it really reminded me of the loaves that I had in Japan. It's so freaking good. I don't think I can finish this, but I'm gonna try. Moment of truth. Sana masarap siya. First ice cream ko for 2026. Amazing.
Kasama ko na ito, Tess.
Sarap siya, pero busog na ako, guys. Hindi ko na siya kaya. Okay, moment of truth. Ito yung bill natin. That's 927.86 pesos. Okay, tapos na ako magbayad. Medyo may kurot. Kasi ang mahal. Pero like what I've said nga, that's my reward naman for myself for the past 2 weeks that I've been working. Okay lang yun, guys. Kikitain ko pa naman yun ulit. Guys, ang hirap maglakad. Sobrang busog ko. Sasakit yung tiyan ko. Actually, sumasakit yung tagiliran ko. Nagpunta ako here sa part ng mall na tech yung mga binibenta kasi nga I wanna get an SSD. Pero, na-realize ko medyo mahal pala talaga siya. 5,999 siya here. Pero sa Shopee, parang 5,300 na lang ata. So, 600 din yung maliles ko. And medyo mahal yung kinain ko kanina. Usually, kinakagat ko na kaagad yung 5,995. Kasi wala akong pasensya mag-antay. Lalo na kapag gusto ko talaga yung gamit. Pero this time, mag-antay tayo. Dahil mahal yung kinain natin kanina. Deserve ang pag-aantay. So, uwi na ako ngayon. And order na lang ako sa Shopee. Ito yung gusto kong SSD. Ang gusto ko kasi talaga yung SanDisk. Pero medyo mahal siya. Yung 1 terabyte parang 9K na kaagad. Pero this one, ayan, 5,396 siya. Reason why I'm still a brick and mortar girl, in marketing we call it brick and mortar, yung mga physical store, is kasi syempre pupunta ko sa mall, makukuha ko na agad yung product. And also if it's like a clothing, top, or shoes, mas masusukat ko pa siya doon kaysa when I buy it online, maghihintay pa ako 5 to 7 days. Tapos, when it's a clothing or shoes, minsan hindi pa siya kakasya. So, hassle pa i-return. Kaya mas gusto ko talaga pumupunta pa rin sa mga store, lalo na kapag big purchases. Kasi para sure na maayos talaga yung product pag dumating sa akin. Anyways, na-check out ko na siya. So, ayan, I paid 5,365. For the record, this is Wednesday na. And ngayon pa lang ako gagastos. Ay, wait, Tuesday pa lang pala ngayon. Pero in fairness, hindi ako gumastos yesterday ng anything, kahit na ano. And usually, lagi ako nagpapadeliver. Pero yesterday, nagluto ako, both lunch and dinner. Anyways, I'm gonna prep for bed now. I'm at work right now and it's lunch break. So, mapapagastos na naman tayo. Ay, gumastos din pala ako kanina for, syempre, pamasahe to go here. So, trivia lang, I work in BGC and I live in Quezon City. So, for lunch, I will be meeting some of my colleagues sa Kodawari.
Sinigang na ano.
May meme ka ang halfway nga daw ng mga taga-North ay Cubao. I'm done with work today. Naantay ko na lang yung sasakyan ko. And again, gagastos na naman tayo for my fare pa uwi. Usually, I do move it and then LRT and then move it again. This is the outfit check. Wearing my red shoes. I super love this red shoes. Wait, I think ayun na si Kuya. Guys, as you can see, we're back at the crib. It's 7:01. Sobrang nakaka-drain talaga mag-office day. Like what I've told you, I live in QC, but I work in BGC. So the commute itself, grabe ang nakukuha niyang energy from me. I don't have energy to cook anymore. So I just ordered my food. So, napagastos na naman tayo. Pero okay lang. Ang principle ko is, as long as it's food, okay lang gumastos. Do you feel that too? Like, ayokong tinitipid yung sarili ko when it comes to food because I don't wanna have an unhealthy relationship with food. I ordered my food sa, oh my gosh, this is my favorite Food Panda restaurant. Masarap yung foods nila. Tapos, merong mga label kung ilang calories na talaga yung nakakain mo. So, if you're counting your calories, very good tong restaurant na to. So, ito yung tsura niya sa Food Panda. This is not a sponsored partnership. I'm just telling you what restaurant I like ordering at. Anyways, kain na tayo because gutom na ako. Okay, this is my impression of an influencer na may paid partnership. Oh my gosh, you guys! It's so good! Guys, the chicken just melts in my mouth and the flavor floats in your mouth. You should try this. Oh my gosh. Like, I'm telling you guys, I'm being honest. Ano ba, Miss Weng? Sobrang cringe. I can't be in a paid partnership. I can't be. Or at least I can't pretend to be in a paid partnership with the brands that I don't like. I can't act for my life. Kasya ba ako sa frame? Yes, I'm working. It's Thursday. Oh my gosh, it's Thursday. Isang araw na lang. Sabado na. Weekend na ulit. I will be having my lunch soon in 7 minutes. Pero wala pa akong niluluto. So, magpa-Food Panda na naman. Pusi Miss Wai. I'm gonna have to order my food again because I'm busy this morning. I live off Food Panda. No, don't believe that. Actually, Monday, the whole day, nagluto ako for myself. And also, Tuesday morning, nagluto din ako for myself. So, it's not fair that you're judging me based on what you see. This is not my whole life. This is just a fraction of my life, you guys. Ay, si OA. Anyways, order na ako ng food.
Pag nalagyan yung ilalim ng payo na yan parang sipon, hindi na siya kayang itulak ng...
So, ito na nga. Barado yung aircon ko. Kasi naman, for some reason, ang init dito sa condo ko lately. Wow, spoiled brat. Sabi ng babaeng lumaki sa skwala, nainitan siya. Charis, hindi. Kaya ko namang magtiis, pero kung kaya din namang mabuhay ng maaliwalas at komportable, syempre dun na rin tayo. Babalik yun si Kuya para ayusin yung aircon ko. Kain muna. I'm so tired. I just finished work today. Trivia about me, I am a senior marketing associate. Part of my work is to create graphics for the company. Sobrang napagod lang ako. What time is it? 6:30 na. Hindi naman po tayo nakapagluto ng dinner. Pero, to be honest, wala rin akong gana kumain. Maybe I'll just take a nap until 10 a.m. tomorrow. Guys, I'm back home and I did some damage. This is gonna be the thumbnail of this video. Sakit sa ulo! Sakit sa ulo! Because ang fantasy ko tonight was to go to a cafe, order my decaf coffee, drink it while I'm journaling, thinking about contents to produce, you know what I mean? Pero pagdating ko sa mall, ang daming tao. And then yung mga cafes, of course, puno. So sabi ko lang, hindi ko magagawa ang aking fantasy because I need some like quiet and peace. And so I was like, okay, let's just go to the grocery, get some food. But on the way there, something's caught my eye. Something's caught my eye. So, ayun nga, nahatak ako ng Sunnies and Watsons. First off, you saw me earlier fitting some sunglasses, and this really caught my attention. Well, I've also been wanting to get some new glasses now. And I think this one is so chic. I like how thick this part is. I don't know what it's called. And I also love the shape of the glasses and the color. And then I also like this metal detail. This is how it looks when worn. Like, it's just so chic. Oh my gosh. Like, the vibe for me is I'm going to the beach. It's a beach day. But I'm not gonna swim. I'm gonna sit in a restaurant nearby facing the sea, watching people, you know what I mean, drinking a cup of my ice cold coffee, reading my book, journaling, and I'm just living my life. The girls who get it, get it. And then, nagpunta ako sa Watsons. Isa lang talaga yung pakay ko, which is itong Hada Labo. I love Japanese skincare. You can focus on your Korean skincare, but once you try Japanese skincare, especially this brand, like all of their products are bomb. It's so good on the skin. Like right now, I don't have makeup, but I'm still confident to go out. Yes, I went out without makeup, you guys. Nag-blush lang ako, mascara, and then lipstick. That's it. It's so good at like brightening my skin, and also the moisturizer, the white one. I love that. But you guys, if you want to refresh your skincare products, I really suggest you check out Hada Labo. I also got a loofah. And then I got shampoo. I was really only gonna get one, but they sell it in two. Only one is not available. Hindi ko alam kung magkano na nagagastos ko this week. And that's my problem nga. Kasi hindi ko siya na ka-count. Baka ma-count ko na lang siya by the end of the week. I think I like pink stuff. Like this color.
I thought you don't like pink.
I think I don't like pink on me. Like clothes. And this color of pink. Not like the bright pink. Original salted egg and cheese. Box of 3. Hi guys, it's the end of the week. It's Sunday night and kailangan ko nung bilangin kung magkano ang lahat ng mga nagastos ko this week. By the way, I am with my first daughter. This is Maggie. Maggie, say hi. First stuffed toy ito na bigay ng fiancé ko. She's still with me. Anyways, we have a business to do and we need to do it right now. So as you can see here, nalista ko na yung mga nagastos ko from the week. And then I'm also gonna add some of the bills and also some of the miscellaneous funds that I usually keep or add money into kapag sumasahod ako. So, una na dito is yung for rent. And that will be 4,000. So, my rent here sa condo, for those who are interested to know, 16,000. I think that's usually how much one bedroom condo apartment is, especially in Quezon City. And luckily, tinutulungan naman ako ng fiancé ko to pay my apartment. So, half-half kami dyan. So, I only need 8,000. That's half sa kanya. And then, I'm also gonna add my bills. This includes my water bill, electricity, and internet. I put 3,000 here every bi-monthly. And then my miscellaneous funds would be my budget for my HRT and some other stuff na baka kailanganin ko in the future. I usually put 2,000 in there. Total na natin kung magkano lahat ng nagastos ko. Oh my God, kinakabahan ako. Okay, without yung ito lang, it cost me 12,884. And ang outlier naman kasi dyan is yung SSD. Usually, I don't really buy big purchases like this naman in a week. So, kung tatanggalin ko siya, 7,884. Yung nagastos ko, yung usual gastos ko in a week, I think, pasok pa din naman sa banga ng aking budget. I could still make some more adjustment when it comes to it, pero I'm not mad at myself, honestly. Pero, sige, sama natin yung computation with my rent, bills, and miscellaneous. Okay, 21,884. Oh my gosh! So, ito yung nagastos ko for a week. Ang sakit sa puso. So yeah, ang game plan ko for next week is to eat rice and salt. Magdidil-dil na lang talaga ng asin si Miss Weng. First time ko ginawa itong mag-compute ng expenses ko for a week in a while. Kasi I think part of it is because I feel guilty spending money. Some of you may know that I grew up in squatters area. And if you grew up in that area, you would know really the value of money. Most of the time, people there are in a rat race. Isang kahig, isang tuka. Pero yung family ko naman, hindi naman ganun kalala yung sitwasyon. I would say we're in the lower middle class. So yeah, nakita ko kung paano pahalagahan ng mga tao yung pera. And now that I actually have adult money and I'm earning money for myself and I'm spending this much, medyo nagigilty ako, naiinis ako sa sarili ko na bakit ang gastos-gastos mo? Pero at the same time kasi, ayoko magkaroon ng scarcity mindset, which also nakita ko rin to sa mga tao doon sa kinalakihan kong lugar na, okay, kailangan nating mag-ipon ng mag-ipon, huwag tayong gumastos, kasi tomorrow baka wala na tayong pera. Which honestly, I think it just traps people into that life compared to abundance mindset, which I'm trying to practice right now. It is the belief that there are enough resources and there will be enough opportunities for me to grow. It focuses more on the opportunities, gratitude of the things that I have compared to the scarcity mindset, which is scarcity and competition and fear of limitation, which I don't really want to practice and I don't really resonate with that because I do believe that there's an abundant resources for me to be better than where I am right now. Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin na kapag may abundance mindset ka, gastos ka na lang din kasi tingin mo hindi ka na mauubusan. Syempre hindi. I still save money. Anyways, ang dami kong sinabi, ma-justify lang talaga yung paggastos ko, no? Pero yeah, that's been my spending. I need to recalibrate. I need to think about how I can better save my money. But yeah, I will be closing this vlog now. If you're still here with me, thank you so much for watching. Do click the like button, subscribe, comment, whatever you want to comment. If you resonate with how gastosera I am, if you have violent reaction, if you have tips on how I can curb my spending, that is very welcome in the comment section, and that will really help me grow this channel. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And yeah, thank you so much, and I will see you in my next vlog.